Hey there, are you ready to take your career to the next level? LearNowX is here to help you build the rewarding career many young aspirants wish for. Do you know that in ever-evolving tech landscape of 2024, one skill that stands out is Salesforce. The demand for Salesforce professional is an all-time high, with recruiters actively looking for certified experts like you. This is where LearNowX offers 10-week Salesforce admin course and 14-week Salesforce developer course that prepares aspirants for a successful Salesforce career via a detailed curriculum covering all the things in Salesforce. Let me talk about some stats. Salesforce administrators earn an average of $95,000 annually, and Salesforce developer average $1,12,000 annually. This proves that these roles pave the way for highly rewarding career options. And here's the coolest part. Over 60 Salesforce certifications are available, allowing you to join the esteemed rank of 4.2 million plus trailblazers worldwide. Interesting enough, right? So, if you're dreaming of being a leader in the world of Salesforce, LearNowX has everything you need to join in, grow, and excel in this exciting field of Salesforce technology. Whether you are a seasoned IT professional or just starting your journey, our course is designed to meet you where you are. We blend experts sessions with hands-on learning, ensuring that you grasp the fundamentals and gain practical experience. Our creative approach to teaching Salesforce concepts makes learning fun and engaging. Enrolling with us in Salesforce admin course will teach you how to customize, optimize the Salesforce platform to streamline business processes. And in a developer course, you'll master the art of building powerful, customized solutions that transform businesses. Along the way, with our expert guidance and placement assistance, you can gain many Salesforce certifications, putting you in a high demand in the job market, with countless opportunities to work for top-tier companies. Get ready to explore the world of Salesforce with us and watch your career reach new heights of excellence. Enroll now and unleash your full potential as a Salesforce trailblazer. Check out the Salesforce course link in the description below.